class, in this video, I will be discussing Lesson 3, Module 6, which is uh, entitled Sum of the Years Digit Method, the second method for depreciation. Okay? So, Sum of the Years Digit Method. Okay, so ganito yung formula niya. Meron tayong tinatawag na Sum of Years Digit. Yung n, di ba, economic life, n over 2 times 1 plus n. Okay? So, for example, 8 years. So, para makuha natin yung sum of years digit, 8 over 2, 1 plus 8 equals to 36, or i-add mo lahat ng digit from 1 to 8. So, 36. Now, para makuha mo yung depreciation niya at year 1, so, first cost minus salvage value times 8 over 36. Ito yung pang first year. Okay? Pag pang second year naman, ang depreciation niya is first cost minus salvage value times 7 over 36 and so on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 for year 1 to 8. Okay? So, para makuha natin yung book value, first cost minus total depreciation. Okay? You have to remember na at year 1, ito lang yung depreciation niya. At year 2, ito lang yung depreciation. Hindi siya katulad ng annual na pantay-pantay. Okay? Ito is merong computation per year na depreciation niya. At ang total depreciation niya is syempre yung sum nung for example, at book value niya for 4 years is yung sum niya at 8765 over 36. Okay, yun yung formula niya for book value. So, let us apply it sa sample number 1. An asset is purchased for 9,000. Its estimated life is 10 years. Okay, so meron tayong first cost, tapos meron tayong N, which is will be sold for 1,000. Ito yung salvage value. Find the book value during the third year. Okay. If the sum of the years digit depreciation is used, kunin natin yung BV3. Okay. So, bago yan, kunin muna natin yung sum of years digit, that is N over 2 times 1 plus N. Okay. Let's check kung tama. Okay, tama. Okay. So, that is 10 over 2 times 1 plus 10. That is equivalent to 10 over 2 times 1 plus 10. That is equivalent to 55. Okay. So, para makuha natin yung book value for for 3 years, that is first cost, which is 9,000, minus first cost ulit, 9,000, minus salvage value na 1,000, times 3 years. So, from 10, ito yung year 1. Year 2 is 9. Ang year 3 is 8. So, ang summation niya is 10 plus 9 plus 8 over 55. So, ang BV or book value 3 natin is 9,000 minus 9,000 minus 1,000 times 10 plus 9 plus 8 over 55. Okay, so that is equivalent to 5,072.73. Okay. So that is the final answer. So let's go to sample problem number 2. A company purchases an asset for 10,000 and plans to keep it for 20 years. If the salvage value is 0 at the end of 20th year, what is the depreciation in the third year? Okay, what is the depreciation in the third year? Use the sum of the years digit method. So, kunin mo lang daw yung depreciation niya in the third year. So, kunin muna natin yung SOID or yung sum of years digit, that is 20 over 2, 1 plus 20. 1 plus 20, 210. Tapos, kung third year yan, 20 sa year 1. Year 2 is 19. 3 is 18. 20, 19, 18. Okay. So, first cost, 10,000. Walang salvage value. So, 0 times 18 over 210. So, 10,000 times 18 over 210. So, that is equivalent to 857.14. Okay. So, that is the final answer. So, let's proceed to sample number 3. The corporation purchased a machine for 1 million. Freight and installation charges amounted to 3% of the purchase price. Okay. If the machine shall be depreciated over a period of 8 years with a salvage value of 12%, determine the depreciation charge during the 5th year using sum of years digit method. Okay. So, sabi niya, with a salvage value of 12%. So, paano gagawin natin dyan? Ang first cost natin is 1 million plus yung freight and installation charges, diba? So, kailangan, ano ba ang 1% ng ano ba ang 1% ng 1%, 3% pala. So, 'di ba? Ang first cost is 1 million plus 3% daw ng purchase price. Okay. So, compute natin 1 million plus 3% ng 1 million. That is 1,030,000. Okay. So, ang salvage value niya is 12%. Okay. 12% ng first cost. Okay. 0.12 ng, kasi walang sinabi, sabi niya, with a salvage value of 12%. So, automatically, sa first cost mo siya i-compute. So, times 0.12. So, that is equivalent to 123,600. Ngayon, hinahanap is determine the depreciation charge during the 5th year. Okay, during the 5th year lang. So, ang SOID natin dito is ilan na? 8 years. So, 8 over 2 times 1 plus 8. So, 8 over 2 times 1 plus 8, that is equivalent to 36. Okay. Tapos, kung year 1 ay 8, ang year 2 ay 7, ang year 3 ay 6, ang year 4 ay 5, ang year 5 ay 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay. So, ang depreciation at 5th year ay 1,030,000 minus 123,600 times 4 over 36. Okay. So, 130, 123 minus 123,600 times 4 over 36. That is equivalent to 100,711.11. Okay, so this is the final answer for sample number 3. So let's proceed to 4. ABC Corporation makes its policy that for every new equipment purchase, the annual depreciation uh, should not exceed 20% of the first cost at any time without salvage value. Okay, the annual depreciation should not uh, exceed 20% of the first cost at any time without salvage value. Determine the length of service if the depreciation used is the SOID method. Okay. So, anong gagawin natin dyan? Hanapin muna natin, 'di ba, ang SOID is n over 2, 1 plus n. However, wala tayong n kasi yun yung hinahanap. Ang hinahanap is n. Now, if you remember kung makuha yung depreciation, 'di ba? In any year that is n over 2, 1 plus n FC minus salvage value. Etong n na to, 'di ba, kapag 'di ba, for example, 1, 2, 3 hanggang n, 'di ba, ito ay n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. Tama ba? Okay. So, sabi niya at any time hindi pwedeng lumagpas ng 20% yung ng first cost yung depreciation. So, 0.2 ng first cost is yung depreciation. Is equivalent to n over 2, 1 plus n times first cost minus salvage value. Okay. Ayan. So, kung mapapansin nyo din, bakit nyo po siya inequate dun sa first year? Kasi sa first year, kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung pinakamataas ang depreciation kasi ito yung pinakamataas yung numerator. 'Di ba? Tapos pababa na siya ng pababa. Ibig sabihin, pababa ng pababa yung depreciation niya every year. So, kung yung sa year 1 ay hindi lalagpas sa 20%, automatically, yung susunod na mga taon is hindi na siya lalagpas sa 20%. 'Di ba? So, kung yan, ang equation natin, 0.20 times first cost na ang first cost natin is okay. So, first cost, algebra lang ito. Okay, n over 2, 1 plus n, tapos first cost, 'di ba? Kasi wala na tayong salvage value, so makakancel yung first cost. Anong mangyayari? Magiging 0.20 is equals to n over 2, 1 plus n, tama ba? So, kaya ba to ng shift solve? Tingnan natin kung kaya. Alpha x over 2 times 1 plus alpha x. Shift solve. Okay. Ayan, kaya pala. N is equals to 9. Okay. So, yun yung sagot for sample problem number 4. So, this ends our lecture for lesson 3, Sum of the Year's Digit. Thank you for watching.